I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Roblox account without password. So for this, first you want to go to this website called roblox.com. You search for roblox.com. It is the official website of Roblox. It's going to take you to this page. Over here, click on login at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're over here, we don't want to enter our password. So what we want to do is click on where it says email me one time code. Once you click on email me one time code, you need to enter the email which is linked with your Roblox account. So I'm going to enter my email which is linked with my Roblox account to also do that. Once you do that, click on send code and a 6-digit verification code is going to be sent to your mail. So you need to open up your mail and enter the 6-digit code sent by Roblox to you. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your Roblox account without having to enter the password. And the other method you guys can use it, click on use another device. Once you click on it, it's going to show you these two options. So you need to scan this QR code. So you need to have Roblox, the app version of Roblox in your phone, and you need to have to be logged in into your Roblox app. Once you're logged in your mobile Roblox app, you can open up your Roblox app, scan this QR code, and whichever account is logged in the app, that account is going to be logged in this browser. And the next thing you can do is enter the code in the Roblox app. So to enter the code, you need to first open up your Roblox app, go into more pages. From more pages, you need to select quick log and then enter the code in the app, and you should be able to log in into Roblox account. So these are the methods you guys can use in order to log in into Roblox without using password. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.